Good morning, good morning. Kind of a day today. Let me fasten up. We are headed to go mill some logs. I've got a pile of logs. I bought a sawmill, and I got so excited when I bought a sawmill that once I started seeing logs available, I just bought a bunch, and I have like 15 years worth of logs sitting there because we have something called a manual mill. And I guess it's better to have the logs there, so when you're ready to mill, you can mill. The problem is they're going to start rotting before I get to them. So we're going to mill, and we have some decisions to make. I have a lot of softwood that's probably going to rot before I get to it, but there's some hardwood. So the decision is get some of the hardwood milled that we need to finish up some trim in the house, and because it's going to take some time to get it in the kiln. So we got to get some hardwood milled, stickered, and then once all the hardwood's milled, we got to air dry it for a while, then send it to the kiln, where they've got an eye-dry kiln in Manaway, Ohio. Get it in the kiln. Then, while that's in the kiln, we can mill all the spruce, pine, softwoods that are probably going to rot before we get to them. Some of them. So that's kind of the plan. Get the good wood milled, get it in the kiln, or get it air drying so we can then get it in the kiln, and then start in the softwood. We don't even know what we need to do with the softwood, so I'm kind of just thinking about making full 2x6s, full 2x4s, something to build sheds with, and then leaving like 6x6s or 8x8s for some projects down the road where we start learning how to timber frame. But I need a place to put it all, so I have no idea if you mill it and don't have a place to put it. That's not good. So that's one of the problems we need to solve. I have no idea the condition of the mill, the wood yard. Austin's in Alaska, so I have no idea. Neatness and tidiness isn't really my thing, nor is it Austin's. So Jonathan and I may spend a while cleaning up before we even get to start. And then George is coming out to pick up, I told him I'm running a sale, 8 logs for the price of 4. So George from Middlefield Custom Sawmill, he's coming out to pick up logs. Yeah, that's about it. So thanks for stopping by. Catch you at the end. Well, we haven't milled in a while. It's pretty rough out here. A lot of weeds. It needs sprayed. We got stuff to mill for sure, but you can tell. Let me turn you around. There's just weeds growing up. I don't know what is going on out here. Who knows? But she hasn't run in a while. So we're going to get going on it. You ready to mill, dude?
Yep.
You know what we're milling first?
One of these?
No.
White oak?
White oak. Let's go take a look. We obviously have more lumber than I will ever know what to do with. And I'm looking. I want some white oak. So here's some sections of white oak. This is all my hardwood. So white oak, white oak, white oak. I see some black walnut, red oak. So these are the pieces that I want to mill. I got some monsters over here. But yeah, I'm not going to get to all this. There's just no way. This is a chunk of white oak. If you remember, this is stuff we got back in Warren, Ohio. But it was something that Austin and I split. And that's a big chunk of white oak right there. There's a lot of lumber in that guy. I would like to mill this, but being that we haven't milled in a while, let's not start with some massive log. I don't remember how to turn this thing on. So we're going to start slow. work our way up. This guy just needs to be lifted up. This guy. Slide it out of that. Don't tip it.
Yeah.
You gotta slide this.
You got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Set this up here. I got it. All right, go. Let's play. I just put it in.
So I gotta put it all the way down first.
Is that yourself?
It's on me.
What is it?
Mm-hmm.
Short piece of wood.
Hold up.
You gotta get it around the wheel. This is a common mistake people make when it starts to wander. Is these little black pieces of wear material.
Yes.
They will wear, and then your blade will start to wander because there's nothing.
It's not holding it.
It's not holding it anymore.
Why does it wear?
This is job. It's literally the job.
Just to wear?
Yeah, wear out.
So you have to tighten it?
You have to tighten it off. And there's 3 set screws. Should be.
Do it for lock stops?
Lock stops are on.
There's one. Oh, there's more. I need to go.
This is our bridge.
Taco company. Hold up. You think you're gonna, oh, wow.
Roll it, bud.
That's, oh,
All right.
I thought it was gonna be heavier than that.
Okay. Half.
Hold up.
We'll just get one extra cut out of it, that's all.
Let's do a measure.
It doesn't have to be that accurate.
You don't care?
Come down and then start with Yep.
Why is there water coming out?
Is that about it?
Water coming out.
Because that's what's coming from there.
Yeah. It's not just working, but
It's a blade lube.
yeah, but what? Like,
What's it do?
no, why are you? Is it supposed to be coming out right now?
Only when you push the trigger.
The water?
When you push that trigger, the water comes out.
So then why were you messing with it?
I don't think it needs to be messed with.
All right.
Maybe we should.
Yep.
So you know this big one here that Austin and I started cutting and we hit water?
Yes.
We had like 5 gallons of water come out of it.
Yeah.
I think we can cut 48 inches off the bottom end.
With a chainsaw?
Yeah.
Probably.
'Cause I'm pretty sure the bottom is solid and I need to make stickers, so.
Oh, that's a perfect sticker log. You
Yeah.
get like hundreds out of that.
Yeah, like that big one that came from over there.
Oh, yeah, that's right. The one that I'm like, I don't want it.
You came out and helped saw that. remember?
That's right. It was sticker day. So Jonathan's bringing it up. 2 3/8, he says. You're at 1 inch. You're at 2 inches. A little more. Now you can check if you want. What a lot of guys do is just measure the center of the log off of this. Try to center that. So the center of that guy would be 9. And 10, 9 3/4. So I'd come up another 3/4 of an inch. George?
You gonna let me scrape?
Yeah, man, scrape away. What do we got here? You can tell it's a lot drier. In your way, buddy.
Yep.
Should we put a little water on it?
Nice wood.
Yeah, this is hemlock, right,
Really
George?
solid. Yeah, that's hemlock.
Pretty good sized chunk of wood there. You know what this is?
Little Wayne.
Little Wayne! That joke never gets old, Jonathan.
Yeah.
Nope.
I don't know why I'm laughing. It's old.
What happened?
Take a look over there. You'll see.
They've come off?
Yep.
Oh, well, it's hooked on there, buddy. It's hooked on just to the wrong thing.
Go ahead, hook it on the step.
Okay, it's hooked.
It's good.
Cool. So you happy with your find here, George?
Oh yeah. This is another nice sticker log. I love that.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's like that one that we did.
Yeah, the spruce from over there.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, I'm leaving this here while I go get food.
Cool. All right. So George got some logs. I'm gonna go over and eat with my parents. Mom's got spaghetti and meatballs, so yeah, we're not like professional sawyers here. We are professional amateurs here at Bissell Maple Farm. So I'll tell you that milling, I only like milling when it's cool out. I hate milling when it's hot. Hate doing anything outside when it's hot, but milling is just so much, turns so much better when you're not cooking. So here's what we were able to snag today. So we milled basically a couple layers, 1x and a lot of true 2x. So get you a shot of it here. If you don't mill for a while, you kind of lose it, and then you make some mistakes, like, you know, milling into a log stop when you get tired. So we did the 3 logs that were on here, and that was a pretty good day. Jonathan and I are rusty. We haven't done this in a while, but yeah, I'm glad you were here for it. I'm sure we'll be milling a lot here in the future. So if you don't like watching professional amateur mill, don't. I always tell people, watch what you like. Like, it's no skin off my back. I'm going to film and make content of things I like doing, and I do like this mill. It is fun. I enjoy it, and you know, you can build anything, and it's been fun for us. So Jonathan seems to be catching on, we're definitely gonna throw some of this lumber on Facebook Marketplace because you can see, turning around, I've got a lot to get through. And this is not, this mill, this is not a automatic production mill. It is a serious hobby mill, like serious homeowner's mill. Like if you think you're gonna be, milling up, thousands of board feet per day, well, you can see I did. And then reality hits and you realize, yeah, it's a great mill. I love the HMM 130 Max. I love this mill. I do not regret purchasing it. I just want to curb enthusiasm too. Look, if you can get 3 good logs, 4 good logs as you get practiced up, maybe 5 good logs in a day, that's a heck of a day. So anyways, thanks for stopping by. Catch you in the next episode.